Hello everyone, and in this video we're going to work with the mark the questions as answers. So let's jump right to the person or the teacher, right? Let's use the teacher of the class. So we can mark questions as basically as the answer. Like make this button to work. So here let's put a date, right? Let's put this one class all is 12, and let's put right oops, let's put an icon here. So class will be material icons, and then let's put median, so it's kind of like fitting. Then let's put done. Let's see how it will look. Yeah, like that. Let's put this one like that. Yes, but I don't want it there. Check. Green text. Let's just leave it at that. You can just make whatever change you wanted to make. So here, let's put if answer, right? Here, we're here. If answer that is accept answer, right, is equals true, and then we're going to show that. If not, let's put and if, right? Perfect. Well, we don't just move, we can just move here to the top. Let's move this here in the top. Let's put this here and then see. Oh yeah, that looks way better. Yeah, okay, so that looks way better. Okay, okay, so now we need to test it out, right? So let me check. I think we got the button here. No, so here let's put the URL mark as answer, right? And the URL, it takes the mark as answer, course, question ID, Okay, so it takes the first.id, the question.id, and the answer.id. And save, refresh. As the teacher, with the teacher, now let's mark this one as an answer. Let's see. You don't have authorization was denied. Let's check the views. I don't think the views for the mark as answers work. First user or user. This one works. Check. That should work. Why is it's throwing me like I have access to that? Course user. Is the user in course different? No. So we're gonna do this way too. So, or we can do it this way. Let's move this one down here. And this one's on top. Oh, why is it showing that? Yeah. Right? And here we can just paste that. Save. Okay, let's refresh. Are we with the user? With the, okay, yeah. Mark as answer. Okay, so now as you can see, this one it's marked as answered. Here. This is the answer. If we remove that one, sadly we don't have a button. We can do the button later. I think you can do the button, right? It's not it's just a button that checks if the let me see answers. These are the answers. Oh, they're not in the question thing admin. So here let's put answers or answer. I just want you to see the order, how like it changes. So let's go here, answers, and it was by this user. No. Walter White. So here in the question we have, let's put this one as an answer. And as you can see now it's on the top because this is the answer. That's what we wanted to do. Okay, so we got the Now we need to update this one here. So let's go to questions. And let's go to the admin here. So in our admin, we need to update this one has accepted answer. So here in the end, so here, like when we mark as answer, so here let's call here let's call course that has accepted answer. Let's put this one true, right here. Basically like updating and saying like, hey, now we have an answer. So we save that. And if we go to, let's go to the admin and then let's try that out. Okay. So the answer by this user, let's put a no, you are not accepting answer. Okay, now let's log teacher. And let's put this one, mark as an answer. So yeah, now we can update this. So we can go to questions and we are here. So let's put that one here and this one here. Let's copy and paste here. Let's put answer, right? And here, let's put green. And here we can put our conditional. If question that, oops, equals true. So we put the green one, right? If equals true. Else, that one. Then we can put and if here, so we can see the difference. Now we can refresh. Question has accepted answer. If question, let's check the admin. Let's check if that thing didn't update. Oh yeah, it didn't. Let's delete that again. Let's log with this user. It doesn't matter who marked it as an answer or not. So let's check the views again. I put curse. It's question. That's right. Question Here we put question. Okay, save. That's why. Okay, now let's refresh. Now with this user, let's mark it as answer. And if we go to questions, we have answers. But yeah. So here are questions here. Okay. Okay, so we got our questions done. But yeah, perfect. So we got it done. And in this video, we're going to work with the here in the modules, like work with the completed things. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.